Captain Wren's Trip to Mars. Written by Belle Richardson, illustrated by Makita Harris. Wren is the captain of a spaceship. He will fly the rocket to Mars. Wren has work to do on the red planet. He needs to test rocks and soil to see if there is life on the planet. Wren flies the ship around the moon. It takes a long time to get to Mars. He looks at all the stars and thinks about the planets that orbit them. The rocket has arrived. It is in Mars' orbit with its 2 moons. Wren lands the ship down on the planet's surface. He leaves the ship with a digging tool. He is in a spacesuit. Wren cannot breathe the air, so he needs an air tank on his back. He walks far away from the ship. Mars is full of large, rocky hills. Scientists tell Wren of a good place to dig. Here are the right rocks for the test. The scientists want to see if there was life on Mars long ago. Wren collects the rocks to do tests on them. Wren checks in on the bot that lives on Mars. Its name is Curiosity. The bot digs up rocks as well. It takes a picture of Wren to send to Earth. It's time to leave the red planet and head back home. Wren travels past all of the galaxies and stars. He must get the rocks to the scientists. Captain Wren's job is done. He tells us all about what he saw on Mars. The scientists think that Mars used to have life. It used to be green and blue like Earth. Well done, Captain Wren. Time to get ready for another trip. The end.